This is the epiphany I had today.
Yeah, I'm going today! See, you're going? I'm going today!
And that is why I'm going to build an integrated desk fume extractor. Here is the plan. An intake tube, which will suck the fumes out, will be mounted on a 3D printed slider so I can adjust its height. I will also try to make a 3D printed arm so I can adjust its reach. Under the desk will be the fans powering the whole system. Then an exhaust tube here in black will hopefully be responsible for taking the smoke out of a window. Taking a look at the parts, I found most of these things lying around my house. Just a quick note here that I have wired these computer fans in parallel with a 20-volt cordless power adapter. But if you're going to do something similar, then it's important to note the operating voltage of your fans. Damn, those measurements were off. Yikes. It might not be the best fit, but we can make this work. After I had this part printed out, I really wanted to put a centripetal fan around this ring, but the only trouble is, I don't have one right now. After some thinking, I've decided I'll just internet magic my way out of this one. Honkus ponkus fanicus arificus. And just like that, we're in business. Yeah, so here we go. It's pretty much done now. We're currently approaching New Year's Day, if you can see from the date of my watch. So hopefully I can get this fully done by the start of the new year. I've attached that centrifugal fan right there. Sorry I didn't film it, it was pretty hard to do with 2 hands. And for those computer fans that I started off with, I've embedded them in this piping, which you can see the wires running down. And they're the intake fans. So they take the soldering fumes in here, and the centrifugal fan pushes it out through this tube and through my window. What I'm planning to add next is just a few switches to turn the thing on and off, and just a little reading light up here, because I think it'll be a nice addition. Finished. So just a few quick things that I forgot to mention. This is actually detachable and magnetic, so just in case if you want the intake pipe on the ground and you don't need the arm, then you can take it off, but of course it's reattachable. Over there, that's my control panel that I told you I would add. That's the reading light. That's the intake and exhaust. Unfortunately, I think it's quite loud, and that'll be something for me to work on for the next iteration. I would also like to improve its power, but you know, I digress. Moving down, as you can see, not much has changed. I did patch a few things up with a lot of glue and a lot of cardboard. You know, those iffy fitting 3D printed cutouts. I'm quite happy about how the slider and how the arm turned out. I think they have a good range of motion. You can rotate the slider by just moving the pipes it's on, and once you found a good angle, the arm is plenty robust enough to hold it. And on that note, I hope you found some inspiration from this video if you hope to do something similar on your own. But it's been fun, and I hope to see you again. Bye!